does this Anthon Berg chocolate liquor gift set sound?
No.
No? Why? I thought you liked him.
I don't like it. It's not my taste.
You know what? You just don't support anything and everything that I want to do in life. I just can't stand it.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
What the fuck?
You're drinking right now. What is wrong with you? Okay?
I'm fine. Don't worry about me.
Why did you leave? Why did you flick me off like that?
Because you got on my fucking nerves, that's why.
What the fuck you getting loud with?
I'm getting loud with you. Why
I'm
did you
not-
get
I
loud
don't
with me?
think so.
Why you have to, I'm tired of your shit. I'm leaving your ass.
What?